This is Eternal Blade. Welcome to part 49 of the Space Marine Thunderfire Cannon tutorial. Again, let's start off by making these things gray. Okay. Increase the size here and convert to editable poly. Select both the top or the bottom and the top here. Inset them a bit, then scale the inside. Oh, there we go. Scale with it. Okay, verts. Yeah, if that ever happens, just change this to uniform. We'll go back to polys here. Okay, so scale this so that it makes a little wow, it's not cooperating with me today. Okay, so do that. I don't know, it's being annoying. And then click bridge. What that does is it makes a nice little hole in there. And then all you gotta do is make sure it's sunk in there. Convert this compound, probe boolean, start picking. Boom, pick those things, and our bottom is pretty much complete. Convert it to an editable poly, select the edges, they'll all be selected, the ones you want at least. Chamfer, give it a very slight chamfer because there's extra polys in there, or extra verts in there, and it causes potential catastrophe, one could say. Standard primitives, cylinder. Those are basic. Little rivety thing down there. And right over here. Okay. Bottom's done. That's done. Alright. Time to work on the computer system. Which should be interesting, because I haven't seen very many images of it. There we go. You can see this little terminal thing right there. Just zoom in there. Okay. I'm gonna go with a box, top viewport. Okay, move it just so it's lined up there. Looks pretty good. Perspective, and copy it down as well. Okay, convert to editable poly, select this edge here, connect, bring it out a bit. Actually let's chamfer that. Okay, bring that out. Select this entire piece, and just, oops, not that one. This one, bring it up a bit. And then just convert this to an editable poly. Select the fronts here and just bring it out a bit. And just change this to gray. Because I'm making a lot of little pieces, so I don't want to have to keep changing the color. So, cylinder. And let's start right here. Just make any old cylinder. Give it 18 sides, move it down, increase the height so it just goes halfway in here, and let's go into the front viewport, which should be the back. Okay, line it up with that, right there, get one in the center, one here, and one here. Select both those, perspective, bring them out of it. Okay. Next, what you're going to want to do is make a box down here. Okay. Convert to editable poly. Select that edge, connect, and I want to keep the pinch actually. Change the slide. Okay. Select that polygon there, extrude, and bring that in a bit. Okay, looks good. Put the top poly here, and then extrude them up so you can't see them. Alright. And then what you want to do is, let's select this one here, copy it, bring the radius so it's pretty small, change the size to 10 so we can do a bit of optimization and just kind of, you know, go clone crazy. Little Space Marine tendrils, or those little neural cables that they so love to wear. Okay, that should be enough. Just to give it like the idea that it does something, you know. Maybe make a box over here. Convert to editable poly. Connect. Deviating from the model a bit here, just because the model isn't detailed very much in this section. It's just kind of there. Okay, give us a copy down. Alright. Next we will just build some cylinders here. Bring the sides down. Okay. Copy. Copy. Copy and copy. Okay. It's looking pretty snazzy, I must admit. And for the terminal itself, it's going to be relatively simple. So at the top here, connect, slide it over here, polygon, hinge from edge, pick hinge, give it a slight turn, not too much, just so it's a little bit angled. 13.5 seems pretty good. Left hand viewport here, and give it a bit of an extrude just so it's kind of equal with this one right there. I lost my poly, but it's there. Okay, and let's see. Just select all their edges, deselect these little things right here, because they will cause problems. Give it a loop and chamfer. Okay. Polygon right in here. Let's just start. Let's do a quick inset first. Okay, it's actually a pretty good 1.02. Let's do a bit of a bevel if we can. Okay, a bit of bevel. Extrude inward just a bit. Set the edges. Chamfer. Give it a chamfer. Okay. Looking pretty good. Cylinder. There are 2 large knobs here. Just increase the sides. 18 should do. Bring it down. Sink it in a bit. Convert to editable poly. That'll have to be it for part 49. I'll see you in part 50.